I'm gonna kill myself. No. This video is proudly sponsored by Pouch. Huh? What's this? Oil service in 100 miles. You know what, Scirocco? Today, you're getting a spa day.
Stop sticking stuff on my butt. What is your fascination with that?
So yeah, guys, don't ask me what that intro was, but pretty much for today's video, the Scirocco is getting a spa day, like I said. Now, pretty much, if we actually hop in the car, this leads me beautifully on today's sponsor of today's video. What did I just say there? Pouch. Pouch is actually a free browser extension that automatically finds and applies the best discount codes when you're shopping online. It's incredible. So Pouch is basically a beautiful, heavenly godsend for car people like myself and you. So for today's video, we obviously need oil. So if I add oil to my basket, I literally feel sick of that price. £66 for 4 litres. Now, if we actually go to the checkout, Pouch will automatically pop up saying if it has found any discount codes. It will test out each individual discount code to see which ones work and which one will save you the most amount of dollar, or pounds in my case. It's actually saved us £30. 30! And pretty much all we need to do now is wait for it to arrive. Oh, it's all arrived. All together on all of these service parts using Eurocar parts and Pouch to find all the discount codes, I saved £140. What? Now, Pouch actually works currently on over 3,000 UK sites. My personal favourites are Black Circle, Quick Fit, and Eurocar parts. So guys, if you're just like me and you want to save money when working on your car, download Pouch today, especially for Black Friday and coming up to Christmas. It really does only take a few clicks. Add to Chrome, add extension, and then pin it, and you're good to go. Click the link in the description to joinpouch.com/i/the-other-stuff and start saving today, guys. You're missing out. Anyway, huge shout out to Pouch for sponsoring today's video. Let's get on to the service. If you guys don't know, this is my Volkswagen Scirocco 2-litre TSI running about 270 brake horsepower on the stage on remap from Midland Tuning Centre. And pretty much, I've done 10,000 miles in like 6 months. That's all the way from here to Tonga, a fucking island in the middle of the fucking ocean. Let me know how many miles you do in a year, because that's crazy to me. Anyway, because it's stage on tuned, I wanted to make sure that I do a proper good service on this. So, let's get straight to it, actually. Free engine cover, anyone? Really? The first thing I'm going to change is actually the coil packs, maybe, if they actually fit. Because these might not fit. Spoiler alert, they didn't fit. So yeah, because I've got the wrong coil packs, I'm actually going to like invest in the performance ones because I think I found some online. We're going to move on to the most exciting thing. This is Viper Blades. Look at these, I've gone for some nice Bosch one. These are beautiful. Safety first as always, guys. Look at this. Oh my god, guys. It is beautifully satisfying when you get new windscreen off. So watch this shit. Look, it's fucking dry as fuck, right? Ready? Watch this. Look. I'm going to flick this and you guys are going to see there's nothing left on the thing. Look. Watch. Oh, that is fucking... Oh my god. There's no... My windscreen wipes have been bad since I bought the car. That is gorgeous. Right, on to the next thing. I think we're doing an oil change next. Right, so let's quickly get this car jacked up. Just like... Car is all jacked up as you guys can see. And hopefully... you guys can all see that I really like my life. I've got an axle stand underneath on the subframe. I've got a trolley jack. I've got bricks at the back. I've got this ramp just holding up for ever so slightly. Oh shit, came Volkswagen technicians, my guys, you didn't overdo the bolt. There you go. Beautiful. I'm drenched now. Oh, look at that. It's loose now. Yeah, boy. Right, we're just gonna unscrew this and then we're gonna let it drain basically. Oh shit. I think there's like 5 litres in there or something, so I had to use fucking 2 buckets. The oil filter off. Let's drag this bad boy out. I didn't even realise it was that bad. Jeez, it's been like 5 months. So next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off that oil filter. Oh, look at that. That is demolished, fam. Bombuk. It looks like it's fucking filtered like chocolate or some shit. Gonna take out the O-ring and then we're gonna oil it. Yeah, lovely. Oh, look at that compared to that. Disgusting. This one's got a nice little, it smells like a new coat or something. Got a new O-ring, lovely. Got a bit of oil. This is the bit that all of the car guys like cream at. Damn, look at that bad boys. Now we pop this back in. One bottle. Down. But yeah, pretty much I put like 5.6 litres of oil in. Hopefully that's all good. The dipstick looks fine right now, but fingers crossed, eh? Fingers crossed. The next thing up for a service is actually something that you'd usually just replace if you have a stock one. We are actually going to be cleaning and re-oiling my RAMAIR filter. So the beautiful guys down at RAMAIR actually sent me out their cleaning kit. So big up RAMAIR for like always supporting. Look at that. Let's quickly get the RAMAIR filter off. It's very simple. It's just a clip. So we literally just need to undo that. We can take that bit off and then that's the bit that we're going to clean. At the same time, I actually did the Corsa because it actually hasn't been cleaned or re-oiled in probably over like 2 years or something. The first step is just remove the bulk, like dust and debris. So you just do it nice and softly. Then we put it in the cleaning solution. And then after it's dry, we apply the oil. I didn't even know these air filters needed oil, but just like a car, they need oil. Right, so I've gotten most of the stuff off and pretty much we're just gonna dunk it now. So, oh, wow, that sucks up a lot of the cleaner, doesn't it? Very shiny. Look at that, it's like glittering, man. After working in the cleaner solution, we actually left the RAMAIR filter to dry. And then we came back the next day and re-oiled it. And fam, the oil is blue. I was shook. I actually lost the footage of me doing it, so you check to Ryan Powell on YouTube for this. But pretty much we just worked in the oil by massaging it in, and that was it. We installed it back onto the car. And I mean, honestly, just from looking at it, I can hear how beautiful the sucking noise is going to be. So obviously the spark plugs and the coil packs did not fit. So basically I just went online and I bought probably the most expensive coil packs you can buy. I don't even know if they bloody fit, but we're hoping boys. So in this box down here, we've got 4 APR coil packs. And I don't know if they fit my car. I don't know if they do much, but they're red. So where could you go wrong? But these are the new beautiful coil packs in my car. I think these fit, but yeah, they look very juicy. Apparently, I don't know if this is through like their website or something, they can run 10% more power through them than the stock ones. But if it is actually genuinely running 10% more power, we need some performance like spark plugs. And I went online and apparently these ones are really good. So they are NGK Iridium spark plugs. So it said online again, I don't know if they're factor capping, but they said it is good for up to stage 2+. I mean, we're on a stage 1 remap, so hopefully this whole setup make the car very, very nice and juicy. I'm very excited. We just take off these little connectors. And basically there's another bolt and that goes straight down into the car through the coil pack, I think. And there's the bolt that's in the coil pack. That will be put in the new coil pack. So don't throw them away, dickhead. This is kind of bad, I think. There's a little bit of oil in it, tiny bit, but not too much. I might have to hit someone up about that, but we're gonna get the new spark plugs installed anyway, and then I'll hit someone up about the oil. For fuck's sake. Hopefully this isn't gonna cost too much to repair. I don't know what it is. It's a tiny amount. Ah, for fuck's sake, literally. Obviously I'm gonna hit up my guys down at probably RTMG. It's lucky we have Cindy the Citroen, because we're probably gonna be having to drive that around until this gets fixed, so. Nothing seems to be on that one. So I don't know. And this it wasn't done very tightly either, which was mad. There's the new beauties, NGK spark plugs. Watch how untight these are, yeah? I don't know if they're meant to be this untight, really. They're not even tight. They're literally just like, that's it. There was no tightness to that. No oil on that one as well, which is handy, I guess. Let's have a look if these match. Hopefully they do. Pretty much exactly the same. Lovely jubbly. Would you look at that? That has spiced up the interior so much. We've got the APR coils all in now, and pretty much they fit perfectly. I don't know when the stock ones were changed. I think they've probably been on the car for like 6 years or something. Alright, let's give it a start. Hopefully the car starts perfectly with the new spark plugs, coil packs. We've got to see if it works, because I'm hoping my car doesn't blow up. Lovely! It starts! Woo! It feels a bit more responsive, you know. I might be chatting shit, but let's actually just go on a drive. I'm still a little bit honestly shook by that oil in the spark plug wells. I don't know what it is, but again, it's a problem we will solve another day. But fuck, why can't anything go smooth? I guess I'm taking you guys along with the ride. Not everything goes perfectly with cars. I don't know what it will be, but I've got videos of all of like the spark plug wells, the spark plugs. So fingers crossed, we'll just take it to a mechanic. My guys down at RTMG in Birmingham, and hopefully they'll sort it out and it won't cost me too much. Yeah, pretty much it should probably feel a bit more smooth, a bit more responsive. I'm glad it works, man. I'm glad it works. The DSG farts sound noisy, hold on. What? Don't piss me off. Why does everything sound louder? Wow. No. Whoa! Pow! I feel like I'm in a fucking karate film. Oh my wowie, pachowie. The guy at Midlands Tuning Centre did tell me that the coil packs would eventually fail on me. So maybe the coil packs were really on their way out and basically needed changing. Because this feels like how it came out. Oh my fucking god! Go buy APR coil packs right now. I'm gonna kill myself. No. It feels like I've got on a stage 2 tune, fam. I'm scared. I'm fucking terrified. Right then guys, so just got back from that first drive. There's one more thing that we need to do to the car. The last thing we have to do is obviously quite clear, and that is give it a bit of a clean, because it's a bit dirty, isn't it? just like that, the car is now all clean. It looks very, very nice. Got the dresser on. Look at that. Beautiful. All the plastics are nice and shiny. So yeah, if you go through that much effort to service the car, you may as well keep it nice and clean. Oh, right. There's actually one more thing that we need to do. Whenever we start the car, oil service now, bitch. I'm just going to show you guys how to basically reset it without one of those fancy tablet things. But you hold down that button while turning the ignition on. Hold that down. Turn the ignition on. And then, right there. Do you really want to reset the oil service? Click OK. Service reset. And basically there is also an inspection one. So I had a look online because it's a little bit different for the service. Basically you turn on your hazard lights, no cap, turn on your ignition, turn on your thing, and press and hold the 00 and then turn on the thing, and it comes up with that's mad. It's like a cheat code. Do you really want to reset the inspection? And I press OK. The car's really nice right now, really smooth, powerful right now, crazy powerful. And the best part is the engine's clean. So yeah, obviously we did an oil service, spark plugs, coil packs, air filter clean, topped up the fucking thing right there. But yeah, that is unfortunately the end of today's video, because always keep on top of your services, guys. Also guys, don't forget to download Pouch using the link in the description. It will save you so much money on the run up to Christmas. It's beautiful. Links to that in the description. But yeah, that is unfortunately the end of today's video. Follow me on Instagram, admin Scott and stuff. Subscribe if you are new. And I'll see you faces in the next video.